Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bootable pendrive. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a USB drive with a minimum of 8 GB of storage capacity. Next, ensure you have the operating system's ISO file readily available. Finally, download and install a trusted bootable USB creation tool, such as Rufus or Etcher, onto your computer. These preparations are crucial for a smooth and successful process. Before proceeding, it is absolutely vital to back up any important data currently stored on your USB drive. This step cannot be overstated, as the formatting process will permanently erase all existing content. Once your data is secure, connect your USB drive to an available USB port on your computer. Ensure it is properly recognized by your system before moving to the next stage. Now, launch your preferred bootable USB creation software. Within the application, carefully select your connected USB drive from the displayed list of devices. Next, browse your computer to locate and select the operating system's ISO file you prepared earlier. Double-check your selections to ensure accuracy. Finally, click the Start or Create button to initiate the bootable drive creation process. This may take several minutes. With your bootable USB ready, restart your computer. As it powers on, repeatedly press the designated key, often F2, F12, Delete, or Escape, to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Navigate to the boot options and adjust the boot order to prioritize your USB drive. Save these changes and exit. Your computer will now boot from the USB, allowing you to follow the on-screen instructions for operating system installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.